Welcome to Astrology Reiki, your space for cosmic insight and healing. Each month, we explore planetary shifts, offering free guided Reiki sessions to align your energy. On March 3rd, 2025, Mercury enters Aries, initiating a period characterized by bold and direct communication. For individuals with a Capricorn sun, this shift brings a dynamic influence to your ninth house, which governs higher education, philosophy, and long-distance travel. You may find yourself more inclined to seek knowledge that broadens your perspective, engage in intellectual pursuits, or plan journeys to distant places. This is an opportune time to enroll in courses that expand your horizons or embark on adventures that offer new experiences. However, it's important to be mindful of Mercury's upcoming retrograde phase, which begins on March 15th, 2025. During this time, miscommunications and delays are more likely. On March 14th, a full moon and total lunar eclipse will occur in Virgo. This event emphasizes themes of order, clarity, and attention to detail, urging individuals to organize chaotic aspects of their lives. For those with a Capricorn sun, this full moon illuminates your third house, which governs communication and learning. At this time, you may find yourself focusing on refining your communication skills. This is an opportune time to organize your thoughts, complete unfinished projects, and enhance your interactions with those around you. On March 20th, the vernal equinox marks the sun's entry into Aries, initiating the astrological new year. For Capricorn sun individuals, this transition emphasizes your fourth house of home, family, and personal foundations. This period encourages you to focus on your domestic life, nurturing family relationships, and creating a stable and secure home environment. Taking steps to enhance your sense of security, both emotionally and materially, can lead to greater peace of mind. In today's Capricorn Reiki healing session, we will focus on opening and balancing your root chakra to ground your energy in alignment with the Virgo full moon. Then, we will open your heart chakra to support nurturing your family relationships. Find a quiet, comfortable place to relax. Sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take 3 deep breaths. On the third breath, fully exhale using your abdominal muscles, then settle into a natural rhythm of breathing. Rest your hands beside you and open your heart to receiving Reiki for your highest good. Let go and allow the energy to flow. We begin with an opening prayer. Dear Creator, I welcome the flow of Reiki energy. Guide it for my highest healing, clearing away all negative thoughts, emotions, and energies. May I be a pure channel, both for myself and for others, in this sacred space. Thank you. I will now gently place my hands in the center of your chest and start flowing Reiki energy. As the energy moves, you may feel warmth, tingling, coolness, or other gentle sensations, all signs that the Reiki energy is working. If you don't feel anything just yet, it may be a sign to deepen your body-mind connection. Trust the process and let the energy do its work. I will now place my hands above your lower abdomen, focusing on the energy of the root chakra, also known as the Muladhara chakra in Sanskrit. This is the first chakra in the human energetic system. This foundational energy center located at the base of the spine near the perineum, connects you to stability, security, and grounding. The root chakra is associated with your physical health and connection to the earth. A balanced root chakra supports physical health, emotional resilience, and a deep sense of self-worth. You feel connected to your body and have a healthy sense of self-worth and trust in your ability to take care of yourself. Take a moment to relax and focus on your root chakra. Picture yourself lying down on the earth, on soft grass or rich soil. Imagine the earth gently embracing you, grounding you deeply into Mother Earth. You feel held, safe, and nurtured. You are secure, connected, and at peace. I will now gently place my hands over the center of your chest, inviting the flow of Reiki energy into your heart chakra. Known as Anahata in Sanskrit, this is the fourth chakra in the human energy system, a central point in yogic and tantric traditions. Located in the middle of your chest near your heart, the heart chakra governs your ability to give and receive love, cultivate compassion, foster empathy, forgive, and embrace self-acceptance. Take a deep breath and allow yourself a moment to relax, bringing your awareness to your heart chakra. Visualize it as a vibrant, radiant green center, gently pulsing and expanding the energies of love, compassion, and empathy. Feel this warm, tender energy flowing through you, enveloping your entire being with a deep sense of peace and connection. Thank you for joining me for this energy healing session. I hope it brought you a sense of relaxation and renewal. Each healing experience is deeply personal, so trust your intuition and honor what feels right for you as you integrate this session. Reiki, meditation, and therapy are all powerful tools to support subconscious processing and spiritual growth. I'm grateful to walk this path with you and be part of your journey. If you feel inspired, I'd love to hear about your experience. Feel free to share it in the comments. If you enjoyed this session, please like this video and consider subscribing for monthly Reiki treatments. Thank you for your presence and support. Until next time, be well and stay aligned with your inner light.